Okay, you can see, are you able to see the nodal region? You can see here. See, here is the nodal region, node, and here you can these various distance. So you can see here the meristematic tissues. They are laterally arranged, and here also you will be able to identify the different parts of a leaf. Okay, and the leaves are having venation, parallel or reticulate, which will identify. So here you are seeing two important trees of national importance. One is the largest tree in area. This tree is none other than a national tree, that is banyan tree. It is known as Ficus bengalensis, and nearby you can see our national tree, people tree, where great people like Buddha got enlightenment. So this is the Ficus religiosa. Ficus religiosa is our national tree. These are the two important trees. And see the ecosystem of a small garden. You are seeing the periwinkle flowers. Periwinkle, which is called Vinca rosea. It is a medicinal plant. You can see a small ecosystem. We can study the different parts of a flower also. You can see the various nodes and internodes and the different types of arrangements of petals, how they are arranged, in which fashion the petals are arranged in a one alternatively overlapping the other. So in this way you can see the terminal bud and apical bud of a plant. Here is the apical bud, the terminal bud. It is also known as, where if you take the cross section you will see the meristematic tissue. And this plant is almost 3 months back I planted here, but it took me 3 months to make it survive. Now it has started growing its own special type of adventitious roots, because I have provided nutrients to the medium, the soil I have put manure, so the plant started itself producing the roots, which is in search of chemotropes and chemicals, and also geotropicum. It is moving towards the soil. So different types of movements can be seen here. So you can see the trunk, you can see the hard tissues, and the different types of superficial cells, epidermal cells, how they are modifying into bark. Bark means after secondary growth, when the plant is started germinating or it is started growing. In the apical meristem you can see in the terminal bud. So new fresh leaves are coming. So here you can see clearly the nodes and internodes. Are you able to see the nodes and internodes between two nodes? Between the two nodes, the distance between two nodes, one node here, one node here. So the distance between from here to here, this is the internode. You can see the different other aspects of veins, how they are arranged. Here also you can see the same thing, how the terminal buds, which is filled with meristematic tissues and which will be having different functions. So this is a small ecosystem we can study a lot. So you can also make a small ecosystem in your house and study the different aspects of plant and animal life, how they are interrelated. Thank you.